China is a land of big differences. Huge mountains rise above busy cities and green valleys. For a long time these mountains made travel hard, but China, always clever, found a way to overcome these big obstacles. They created something that seems to break the rules of gravity: mountain shipping. Imagine this: giant ships full of cargo, going up steep hills, climbing mountains like magic. This is what mountain shipping in China looks like, thanks to amazing engineering called a ship lift. China's land is a mix of everything. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vast flat plains that stretch for miles, the country's geography is incredibly diverse. It has some of the tallest mountains in the world and huge flat plains. The Himalayas, for instance, are not just a natural border but also a formidable barrier that has shaped the history and culture of the region. Meanwhile, the plains are the breadbasket of China, supporting agriculture and sustaining millions of people. This makes things difficult. How do you connect these very different places? The rugged terrain poses significant challenges for transportation and communication. The steep slopes and deep valleys make it hard to build roads and railways, which are essential for economic development and national integration. Usual ways of traveling, like roads and trains, are often not practical or too expensive in the mountains. Building infrastructure in such areas requires enormous investment and advanced engineering skills. The cost of constructing and maintaining these routes can be prohibitive, limiting access to remote regions and hindering their development. China needed a better way. The country had to find innovative solutions to overcome these geographical obstacles. Engineers and planners began to explore alternative methods of transportation that could efficiently connect the disparate regions of the country. Rivers, like the Yangtze, cutting through the mountains, offered a possible solution. These natural waterways could serve as vital transportation corridors, linking the interior of the country with the coastal areas. The Yangtze River in particular has been a lifeline for China for centuries, facilitating trade and communication. But the changes in height along these rivers created a big problem: rapids and waterfalls. These natural obstacles made navigation difficult and dangerous. The swift currents and sudden drops pose significant risks to boats and their cargo, limiting the effectiveness of river transport. This is where clever Chinese engineers came up with a great idea. They designed and implemented a series of locks and dams to control the flow of water and make the rivers navigable. These engineering marvels have transformed the rivers into reliable transportation routes, boosting trade and connectivity across the country. Imagine a huge elevator for ships. Picture a massive structure that can lift entire vessels, weighing thousands of tons, from one water level to another. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a real engineering marvel. That's basically what a ship lift is. It's a gigantic mechanical system designed to transport ships vertically, overcoming obstacles like dams and varying water levels. It's an amazing invention that lets ships go past dams and changes in height along a river. These lifts are crucial for maintaining efficient and continuous waterway transportation, especially in regions with significant elevation changes. Here's how it works. A ship goes into a chamber full of water. This chamber is essentially a large, watertight box that can hold the ship securely. Once the ship is inside, the chamber is sealed, and the lifting process begins. The chamber is then moved up or down using a system of strong cables and counterweights, much like a traditional elevator, but on a much larger scale. This chamber then goes up or down using strong cables and weights, just like an elevator. The precision and strength required to lift such massive weights are truly impressive, showcasing the pinnacle of engineering. When it reaches the right height, the chamber lines up with the river and the ship continues on its way. This seamless transition allows for uninterrupted navigation, making it possible for ships to travel through otherwise impassable sections of a river. It's a really smart invention that changes how things are transported. By enabling ships to bypass obstacles and navigate through different water levels, ship lifts play a vital role in global trade and transportation. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of overcoming natural barriers. China has some of the most impressive ship lifts in the world. The Three Gorges Dam, an amazing structure itself, has a ship lift that can lift ships weighing up to 3,000 tons. The Goupitan ship lift, finished in 2021, is another amazing piece of engineering, lifting ships over 300 feet. These structures aren't just impressive to look at, they show how ambitious and technologically advanced China is. They show how committed the country is to connecting its different regions, no matter the obstacle. Section 5. Ship lifts around the world. Ship lifts are fascinating feats of engineering that allow vessels to traverse different water levels with ease. These mechanical marvels are not only functional but also visually impressive, showcasing human ingenuity and technological advancement. China is the best at ship lift technology, but it's not the only country using this smart way to move things. The Three Gorges Dam shiplift, for instance, is a testament to China's engineering prowess. This massive structure can lift ships weighing up to 3,000 tons, making it one of the most powerful ship lifts in the world. The technology behind it is cutting edge, involving complex hydraulic systems and precise engineering to ensure smooth and efficient operation. There are other cool examples around the world, each with its own special design. In Germany, the Niederfino boat lift is a historic marvel, having been in operation since 1934. It stands as a testament to the durability and longevity of well-crafted engineering. Meanwhile, in the United States, the Big Chute Marine Railway in Ontario offers a unique approach by using a railway system to transport boats over land, showcasing the diversity in shiplift designs. The Falkirk Wheel in Scotland, with its turning gondolas, is a beautiful piece of engineering. This rotating boat lift connects the Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal, lifting boats 24 meters high. Its design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, often described as a giant rotating sculpture. The Falkirk Wheel is a symbol of modern engineering blending seamlessly with the natural landscape. The Streppy boat lift in Belgium, one of the tallest in the world, shows just how big this technology can be. Standing at an impressive 73.15 meters, it can lift boats weighing up to 1,350 tons. This colossal structure is a marvel of modern engineering, demonstrating the capabilities of contemporary technology to solve complex logistical challenges. These examples show how useful ship lifts are for overcoming geographic challenges all over the world. From mountainous regions to urban landscapes, ship lifts provide a practical solution for navigating difficult terrains. They not only facilitate trade and transportation, but also contribute to the local economy by attracting tourists and boosting infrastructure development. The innovation and creativity behind these structures highlight the endless possibilities of human engineering. Section 6. The future is automated. China isn't just building cool structures, they're also making them automatic. They're spending a lot of money on self-driving ships and automatic ports, making things even more efficient. Imagine ships traveling on rivers and parking themselves, all guided by smart sensors and computers. This is the future of shipping, and China is leading the way. These advancements will change how the world trades, making it faster, safer, and better. Section 7. Impact on trade and the global economy. China's mountain shipping technology affects the whole world. By connecting faraway places and making it easier to move goods, these amazing structures have a big impact on global trade and the economy. Things made in China can now reach the world faster and easier. This has helped China's economy and made it a very important part of global trade. The world is more connected than ever, partly because of China's smart transportation solutions. Section 8. China's infrastructure investments. China's investment in mountain shipping is just one example of how much they care about infrastructure. The country is spending trillions on roads, trains, airports, and other important infrastructure, both inside and outside China. This investment isn't just about connecting places, it's about connecting people and ideas. It's about helping economies grow and making life better for millions of people. China's actions show how important infrastructure is. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of mountain shipping. Mountain shipping, once a crazy idea, is now real because of China's smart engineers. As technology gets better, we can expect even bigger projects and more automation. China's commitment to pushing the limits of transportation inspires the world. It shows us that even the hardest problems can be solved with cleverness and hard work. The future of mountain shipping and the future of transportation around the world is looking good thanks to the work being done in China.